that's it. This is the final. I use these rollers.
So I just got out of the shower and this is what my hair looks like without doing anything else to it. So we are going to try the blowout technique and also using big rollers that I just got from Amazon. And to my surprise, they actually come with the pins. I'm going to use this volume spray. This is also from Amazon. It's very good. Okay, but you can use any volume, like root lifter type of product, and just on the root like that. Okay, I'm going to comb it through. Now I'm going to use my shark to blow dry this hair. I usually just blow dry to like 80% and then style, so I'm gonna do that next. I had a little problem with the outlet, so I got my little outlet extender from Amazon. So now that my hair is about 80% dry, it's kind of wet on the bottom here where I have the most hair. I'm going to rotate this and use the biggest brush I have. And it's kind of an oval. It's not round brush, but an oval. And it's pretty big. So I'm going to style my hair like usual with this. And I'm going to increase the heat to 3. Okay, so I thought this was okay, you know, very decent. This is just by using my shark with the biggest brush. Next, I'm going to use the Moroccan oil heat protector, and it smells fabulous. If you want your hair to smell amazing, you can use this on your hair, but while also protecting from extra heat. Okay, so I'm gonna use it all over. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna comb it through. And you can get different sizes on this. I just got this one. Nice, very good quality, and very inexpensive. And here are all the clips, so let's begin. So for this, I'm gonna use this brush because I feel this is gonna grab the hair better. And we are going to separate the hair in like three sections from the back up. Okay, so my husband came upstairs and he is wondering what the heck I'm doing. I'm supposed to be getting ready. We're going out to dinner with the boys. And here I am, I'm making a video in my PJs, already taking a shower. But anyway, here is my next step, which is grabbing my thermal brush, heating it up. This is a very, very good brand. It's Wavy Talk. And I use this brush all the time, actually. It's very easy to use when you want to get your hair done really quickly. And my husband is just running his mouth thinking that I'm paying attention to what he's saying, but I'm not. I'm just focusing on my sectioning of the hair and hoping this works, because if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm going to do, because we are set to go out to dinner in about 30 minutes or so. So this is actually relaxing, even though I'm on a rush here. But I'm taking my time. It's okay. My grown boys can wait a little bit. We just have to get this hair done and the makeup done and get dressed, but I think I can do it. This little tool, this Wavy Talk tool is amazing. The other night was back to school night, and my school where I work at is not too close to my house. It takes me about 40 minutes to get there. It's an amazing school. And by the end of the day, I get there at 7, and back to school night was at 6:30. And my hair was a disaster. By 3 o'clock, it was shut down. I mean, it was bad. It was in bad shape. So I brought this with me in the morning, and then before 6:30, I just did one pass through all over, and my hair was perfect. People even compliment, like they were like shocked, like, did you go home? I said, no, I did not go home. I fixed it all in my classroom. So here's the last piece. So for here, we are going to do, okay, I have enough for 2 rollers, so I'm gonna do 2 rollers here. Okay, so I'm gonna separate this. Just pass it through, make it warm, and put the roller up. Okay, and the last one. I don't think my husband has ever seen me with rollers before, so today will be the first time. And okay, so that's about it. I'm gonna turn this off. I don't need it anymore. Okay, so now we wait. Now I'm going to be like this for about 30 minutes or so. Like everything is set. My hair doesn't feel hot anymore. The rollers are on. Let's see if this works. While we wait, I want to show you my working area, and this product is also from Amazon. This is amazing because it protects my sink while I'm using all these hot tools and whatnot. I am back after about 10-15 minutes at the most. I put makeup on, I put all my tools away, and now I'm going to do some hairspray. I'm gonna use this one by Baboon Freezing Spray all over. I'm gonna use my little fan to help the hairspray dry faster. And for the main event, let's see, I'm so excited. Let's see. I haven't done this since my 20s, probably. Putting rollers on. And back in the day, by the way, we didn't really use rollers. You know what we used? We used toilet paper rolls and clips, those silver clips. That's what we used back in the day. And it worked. It worked perfectly well. Now these are better because they'll last you forever. And they don't get wet. If they get wet, they are not gonna get ruined. So here we go. I think I did them all. Oh, one more. Here's the clip. And let's shake it all out. Oh my God, I got big hair. Wow. Wow. Like, look at this volume. Like this. I'm just gonna kind of brush it all over. But look the amount of volume Oh my goodness. Like, you really don't have to go to the hair salon to get the look. You can do it right at home. You can do it right at home. And this is it. This is the final look. This is the final look. What do you think? I am impressed. I love it. Imagine if I left my rollers longer, but I can't because we're going out to dinner. So I gotta go. But my hair is looking fantastic. Now let's get dressed. And that's it for this video. Like, huh? Wow. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.